In a world filled with constant notifications and endless to-do lists, it is easy to assume that big changes require big gestures, like extreme diets or intense workout programs. But real, lasting transformation often emerges from small, consistent actions. This presentation covers 5 lesser-known habits that might not seem dramatic at first, but over time can lead to profound changes in your well-being. Each habit focuses on a different area of improvement: mental clarity, time in nature, foundational health, movement, and nutrition. If you adopt even one of these habits at a relaxed pace, you may see your life gradually shift from the inside out. Habit 1. Turning off notifications for focus and mental clarity. Many people have never tried turning off phone notifications for a substantial period, yet those constant pings and chimes fracture our concentration and increase stress. By switching off unnecessary alerts, we regain mental space and reduce background anxiety. We also become more intentional about how we use our devices. Practical tips include: 1. Setting device-free windows, such as mornings or evenings, where you avoid all non-critical phone use. 2. Making use of Do Not Disturb modes, which mute notifications while still allowing emergencies to come through. 3. Batching your online interactions by checking email or social media at scheduled times, rather than continuously grazing on updates. Over time, silencing notifications can lead to heightened productivity, less stress, and a better sense of presence in daily life. Habit 2. Forest bathing or spending more time in nature. The Japanese concept of Shinrin-yoku, or forest bathing, involves mindfully immersing yourself in natural surroundings. You do not need a dense forest. The local park or garden can also work wonders. Nature helps counteract the stress of constant screen time by reducing cortisol levels, boosting creativity, and promoting mindfulness. Simple steps include: 1. Taking short, slow walks in a green space without using your phone. 2. Observing nature's details, like leaves, textures, or the sound of wind, to anchor yourself in the present. 3. Keeping a small notebook or nature journal to record observations or reflections after each walk. By regularly exposing yourself to a natural environment, you build a buffer against digital overload and cultivate a calmer mind. Habit 3. Nasal breathing for better health and sleep. Breathing is automatic, but how we breathe, through our mouth or nose, carries significant implications for well-being. Nasal breathing filters and warms the air, leading to improved oxygen uptake, reduced stress, and even enhanced sleep quality. Many people find that switching from mouth breathing to nasal breathing can lower anxiety and help them wake up feeling more refreshed. Ways to practice nasal breathing include: 1. Checking in hourly to see if you are mouth breathing, then gently switching to nose breathing. 2. Doing a short breathing routine before bed. Inhale through the nose for a count of 4, pause, then exhale through the nose for 4. 3. Attempting nasal breathing during low-intensity exercise like walking or light cycling, then progressing to moderate exercise as your body adapts. This small shift in how you breathe can ripple through your physical and mental health in surprising ways. Habit 4. Emphasizing functional movement and mobility. Many fitness programs highlight intense workouts, but the habit of functional movement targets daily tasks like squatting, bending, and reaching. Functional exercises help maintain joint mobility, core strength, and proper posture. This leads to greater comfort, reduced injuries, and easier movement in day-to-day life. Ideas for integrating functional movement. 1. Take micro breaks if you work at a desk. Stand, stretch, rotate your torso, and do a few squats or lunges. 2. Start your morning with simple mobility exercises, such as ankle circles, hip circles, or cat-camel stretches for your spine. 3. Hang from a pull-up bar for 20 to 30 seconds, which helps decompress your spine. Practice deep squats to maintain hip flexibility. 4. Use foam rollers or resistance bands to gently release tension in muscles. By making small but consistent efforts to improve your movement patterns, you foster a body that ages more gracefully and remains resilient. Habit 5. Cooking at home and embracing whole foods. Modern life encourages fast meals and processed foods, but cooking with whole ingredients gives you control over nutrition and fosters a mindful connection with what you eat. Preparing meals from scratch can enhance self-awareness, spark creativity, and build community if you cook with others. Practical suggestions. 1. Start with simple recipes like soups, stir-fries, or salads using fresh produce and lean proteins. 2. Dedicate one day a week, such as Sunday, to batch cooking grains, beans, and vegetables, so you have healthy staples ready. 3. Experiment with different cuisines or spice blends to keep cooking interesting. 4. Limit processed items by making your own sauces or dressings, reducing your intake of hidden sugars and preservatives. Gradually, this habit can improve digestion, energy, and even emotional well-being, as cooking can become a relaxing and fulfilling ritual. Emotional well-being, a hidden thread. All 5 habits, notification management, time in nature, nasal breathing, functional movement, and home cooking, have a deeper effect on emotional health. By carving out mental space, resetting among natural surroundings, practicing controlled breathing, moving more freely, and preparing nutritious meals, you create an environment where your emotions can surface, heal, and stabilize. If you feel the need for further emotional exploration, consider adding journaling, meditation, or counseling. The synergy of physical and emotional health can bring about profound improvements in how you handle daily stresses and relationships. Putting it all together, a roadmap for slow, sustainable change. Adopting these 5 habits is not about overnight results. It is about a steady evolution that allows you to integrate each practice fully. You might begin with turning off notifications and, after a few weeks, add forest bathing. Track your progress in a journal or habit app and reflect on how each habit shapes your daily life. Recognize small wins, such as cooking 3 nights a week or maintaining a nasal breathing routine during your morning jog. Each success builds confidence, fueling you to incorporate the next habit. Small steps, big shifts. While modern culture often glorifies sweeping changes, real transformation usually arrives through incremental steps that respect your life's rhythms. By turning off notifications, you recover mental clarity. With forest bathing, you reconnect with the tranquility of nature. Nasal breathing nurtures both physical and mental calm. Functional movement preserves your mobility and posture. Cooking whole foods fosters better nutrition, mindfulness, and emotional connection. None of these require expensive gear or radical changes to your schedule. With consistency, their effects accumulate, gradually reshaping your lifestyle. Embrace them at your own pace, adapt as needed, and discover how these quieter habits can create more lasting, meaningful shifts in your overall well-being.